In this video, we follow the fascinating journey of how processed cocoa beans transform into chocolate. The beans are roasted to unlock their full aroma, then cracked and winnowed to separate the nibs. These nibs are finely ground into a thick paste known as cocoa liquor. This liquor is then pressed to separate cocoa butter from cocoa solids, or it's blended with sugar and milk to create different chocolate varieties. The mixture goes through conching to develop a smooth, refined texture. Next, the chocolate is tempered for shine and stability before being poured into molds. Finally, after cooling and packaging, the chocolate is ready to be enjoyed.